Nadia?
See, he's trying to touch me.
With what?
Something on his coat.
She ain't waving.
Let's see what it is.
So I think I'm just gonna do just hold it in.
Turn around.
Let's see. What's happening here?
Nadia, you want a hug?
Ah! Get off me.
No, Aiden, get down. Oh, Lord. Wait, was Lakeisha about to touch that?
Huh?
Were you about to touch it?
She picked one up earlier. She doesn't
you
want it
did?
on her clothing though.
I don't want it.
Let's see it.
That?
Ugh.
It's not too bad. Want to touch her?
A cicada.
Touch her.
She's like, no, thank you.
He died. Want to touch her? He died.
They shed their skin. Yeah.
Yeah.
Want to
Here,
touch her?
let me see. See, Jonathan, look, it'll hang on you.
Hey, look.
Watch.
Can you walk?
No, just wait. Come here.
No.
He's not alive.
No,
He's not alive.
he died.
It's his skin. Look.
It's just
I don't want it.
No.
Just kill him.
Fine, do it.
You are.
Someone help me.
He's stuck. Oh wait, that was a lie.
You like that?
I'm just kidding.
Where'd he go?
It's right here.
You crushed him.
Goodbye. Goodbye.